All right, Bob, fellow listeners, fellow viewers, everyone out there, we're going to show you 4 different options to solve that neck pain problem that you have. I'm excited to do this. I was just using these last week with great success. 9.3 seconds is all you need to wait, and we'll get right to it.
Bob and Brad, the 2 most famous physical therapists on the internet.
Okay, Bob is going to demonstrate these. I'm going to talk through it because we can't have any mics on, so Bob is mute here. So hopefully I can get through this. So this is absolutely nothing but hands are used. So get your fingers clasped like this behind the head. And now what Bob is going to do, you can't see it from that angle. He's going to do a slight chin tuck to get in good posture. And now he's going to pull his hands up and stretch the skin right here. Okay, Bob, are you pulling up now? And you feel a stretch right here like your skin is stretching. Now you're going to hold that for 30 seconds, 15 to 30 seconds, as long as it feels like a healthy stretch. If it creates pain or sharp pain, stop. Otherwise, if it's like, oh, it feels okay, but I'm not sure, then you can stretch to the right. So demonstrate, there you go. And then you're going to emphasize the muscles on the left when your head goes to the right. I think cameras are going back and forth. Now go the other direction. And now he's going to get the right by leaning to the left. Again, no more than 30 seconds per stretch. Any sharp pain, you stop. But it works quite well. What do you say, Bob? Just shake your head yes or no. Yeah, it's a good thing, yeah. Okay, we'll go to the next one. Okay, the next option. You'll need a towel, roll it up like Bob has it there. In a chair, a firm chair works a little bit better. Put the towel behind your neck and then do a slight chin tuck. Bob is doing a good job. And then the towel actually adds support if you have a sore neck. And then you're going to roll back and get a little stretch going backwards. Again, this should feel like a good stretch as you go backwards. Yep, and you can try it this way and pull up. That adds a little traction onto the neck. You're going to use whichever method makes it feel better. Again, any sharp pain, it's not the right stretch for your neck. If it feels like a good stretch and you're getting more range of motion back as you do more of them, you continue with it. When you're done with it, both of these should make things feel better. 10 repetitions is all I recommend. Come back and do it in a couple hours if it feels better, as oftentimes it will. And Bob is happy. Thumbs are up. We're going to the next one. The next option, if the seated position doesn't work that we just did, you can go lie down on your bed with your head off the edge. Now this one, if you don't feel comfortable, do not do it. Take the towel, put it behind your neck, and what we're going to do is have gravity help the stretch. Bob's taking his time, going slowly, feels good, no pain. If it's a stretching pain that feels good, we're okay. And you're only going to do this 3 to 5 times. It's a little more aggressive because you got your head off. Now Bob is pulling on the towel. And again, I don't promote this one unless it clearly feels good and you're very comfortable with it. Okay? Now, Bob, just scoot yourself back on the table or the bed, and we're going to go to the 4th one. Okay, the last one. Now, this one I do like, and it's nice because you can relax. You're going to lie on your bed with your head on the bed, and it's the same technique we did seated. So the fingers are like this. They're behind the neck, right under the occiput or the skull pan, if you want to call it that. And Bob's going to push his head this direction. Again, he's going to feel the stretch on the skin here. It feels like you're pulling your head this direction with a stretch. And again, you can stretch it right or left, depending on how it feels. Do all 3 of them. Do the one that makes it feel good. Sometimes they all feel good with it. Bob, feel good? Yeah, and both Bob and I agree this position is very nice to do because you're relaxed, your head is supported, and it's a great way to stretch the neck. All right, Bob, why don't you sit up? And I've got Bob by the tail here because he can talk, but they can't hear you. So, Bob, once again, we can fix anything except for a broken heart. There we go. And we've been working on this, and I think we're not going to get anywhere. Have a good day.